What's up guys, I'm Pale James. Welcome to my page at James Technology 1. Today video I will be showing you how to download videos from Facebook. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app. Open your Facebook app and go to video and select any video that you want to download. At the top of the video that you want to download, you will see a three dot at the top. Just click on this three dot and go to copy link. Copy the link, close the Facebook app. Open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. Open it and just follow this step. Type in getfvrd.com and load the page. After the page has been loaded, hold this and a page option will appear. Click on this page option and go to download. After you have clicked on download, three options will appear: download in HD quality, download in normal quality, audio only. So the option is yours, and for me, I will take download in normal quality. After you have clicked download in normal quality, at the bottom of the video you will see a three dot. Click on this three dot and click on download. Alright, so guys, right now our video is downloading. Just wait a few seconds. As you can see, alright guys, so now you can open the video and watch it. So you can even turn off your data and save your data. Click on the video and watch it free. See, here is the video. So guys, hope this video will be a help to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my page at James Technology 1. Thanks.